The Wilshire Grand Center. In Los Angeles is a prominent skyscraper recognized for its unique design and impressive height, standing at 100 feet, 335.3 meters. This makes it the tallest building in Los Angeles. When it was completed in 2017, it was among the top 15 tallest buildings globally, although its ranking has changed with the construction of newer skyscrapers. Constructed between 2014 and March 8, 2017, the Wilshire Grand Center was designed by AC Martin Partners and financed by the Hanjin Group, a subsidiary of Korean Airlines, at a cost of approximately $1.2 billion. The building is still owned by Hanjin Group and used by Korean Airlines. Its structure is a combination of steel, concrete and glass, giving it a striking and modern appearance. The Wilshire Grand Center serves multiple purposes, including offices, retail spaces, restaurants, and the luxury InterContinental Los Angeles Downtown Hotel. The hotel offers stunning views of the city, making it a popular destination for tourists and business travelers alike. As a modern engineering marvel, it remains a key feature of the Los Angeles skyline.